Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you my Totally Beads haul. This box is full of pearl beads, crackle beads, marble beads, and a few other sort of pendants, seed beads and little bits and pieces, and so I think some findings as well. So I will show you today a few of these items, and then because there's a lot, I want to spread it over sort of maybe 3 videos so that it's not too much. Just show you. So today for my video I will show you pearl glass beads, ceramic beads, a bag of crystal beads, and also a couple of glass pendants. So here we are, we have some ceramic beads there, and also some glass pendants that came in that box, and also some crystals which are absolutely gorgeous, very shiny. The crystals you can get all different shapes and sizes. There's a little butterfly there, and obviously then you have these different selection, different shapes, sort of geometric shapes, and then some have sort of holes in you could use as a pendant. There's another one there, there's 2, so you can make a pair of earrings with those. Also there's these ones here you could make some earrings with. There's actually 5, oh there's 6 of those. No, tell a lie, there's 1, 2, there are 8 of those. So you could make some earrings with a matching necklace, or even a bracelet. They're quite big though. I think they're probably too big for earrings maybe, or I mean you could, I mean people like big earrings. Sorry, there's 4 of those ones. So yeah, there's quite a selection of lovely crystal glass beads. Now the pendants are it's blown glass. It's very solid, and it's a flower inside, which is quite clever. You sort of the loop, you'd have to hang it sort of this way, but it's actually quite nice. And this one is is lovely. It's a fish, has so I would say that way, but it's you know, it's got an eye and a mouth, and it's actually quite a nice colour, quite cute. And then the ceramic beads are, if you can see, are little dogs, and they have the holes on the bottom. And the other ceramic beads are these ones. They're actually quite nice, sort of crackly pattern on them, the hole. So they're quite nice as well. So this is the sort of small bags with sort of bits and pieces in. I thought I'd show you. There are sort of 2 and 4 of everything of these crystal ones, so you could make matching earrings or matching bracelets, which is really nice. They would be lovely for summer because they sparkle so much in the light. Really lovely. These are your pearl beads, which are gorgeous colours. These glass pearls are actually the size of 7 by 10, 7mm by 10mm, and for 6 strings it was £4.99. They are actually quite good ones. So lovely sort of olive green, silvery grey, pink, champagne gold colour, purple, and a cream. They are quite heavy, they do have a bit of weight to them, so you know, if I make anything with these, then I will either make earrings with them, and also maybe a necklace, but not add too much weight. So I will probably sort of split it up with maybe a smaller bead in between each bigger bead, and then some seed beads. So hopefully that will work. And crimp the top and have a sort of like a long necklace. Maybe the pinks and greys will go nicely together, and the gold and the cream will be a nice one for summer. So yeah, maybe add some clear, also some clear, maybe 6mm or 8mm in between each bead. So they're quite nice, those ones. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, because there is loads more to come, and I will see you soon.